Hi friends and Israel fans, come and join me in another episode of Israel with Moshe. Hi, we're here just above the Chula Valley. Behind me is a 15,000 acres valley which used to be swampland until the late 50s. In biblical days, when Jesus and the disciples would walk from the Sea of Galilee to Damascus, right there behind the Golan Heights that's behind me, they wouldn't be able to walk through the valley because it was swampland. They would have to walk along the mountains and squeeze through the hill of Chatzor. In the late 50s, Israel decided to get rid of this swampland and dry the lake, get rid of the malaria, get rid of the mosquitoes, get rid of this death valley. What they did is they dug two canals, one on the east side, one on the west side, drained the water into the Sea of Galilee, and then planted eucalyptus trees in the valleys to suck the water out of the mud. When you drive in the valley today, lots of eucalyptus trees. Just to give you an idea, every eucalyptus tree can drink up to 1,000 liters of water daily. So those eucalyptus trees dry the land, and this whole beautiful agricultural land behind me is what used to be the Death Valley and the swampland. When the Bible talks about the desert becoming alive, this is one of the aspects of the desert becoming alive. Here we are looking into the Israeli-Lebanese border. Just below us is Chula, the most northern city in Israel. Actually, the cultivated fields of Chula, the green area behind me, is right at the border with Lebanon. If you look a little up the hill, there's a village, and that village, Marj Ayun, is about 5 miles north of us. That's a big Hezbollah village in Lebanon. In fact, all the houses that you can see here on the mountainside, those are Hezbollah soldiers. This is the result of Israeli withdrawal from Lebanon at the year 2000. Right after Israel left South Lebanon, the entire South Lebanon was filled with Hezbollah army. Although they're not supposed to be there, it's known that the entire northern part of Israel is filled with Hezbollah. We're going to move to the Golan Heights, and we're going to talk a bit more about the wars of Israel and about the geopolitical situation in the area. We're looking at the Golan Heights. Behind me is Mount Hermon. You can actually see a little bit of snow even though we're almost in summer. Just above us there's a helicopter on the border between Israel and Lebanon, or Israel and Syria. These Golan Heights, this is where Damascus is. About 25 miles north of us is Damascus. We're going to get closer to the border with Syria, and we're going to talk again from the border between Israel and Syria.